Hi guys, welcome back. It's Redraw My OC time and this is the third one. This was sent to me by Karina on Instagram and she's known as Lily Plays on YouTube. And she's been pretty much on my channel all the time. Sorry, I'm trying to find the words because she's so super sweet and I really appreciate everything she's done for me. She has been with me since I've started my art. So back when I was doing my Inktober, and she is a regular and always writes awesome comments and just sends so much love my way. So I appreciate it. So Karina, this video is for you. I hope you like it. I had some problems, I'll tell you that. In the beginning, I had some problems with getting the face down because I've never done something that has like the mask across the face. I guess it's a Korean or Japanese mask that the girls are wearing now, and the guys as well. I guess it's for like the dust and like the slog that they have there, I guess, if that's the proper word. Or yeah, so her style is definitely anime manga style, super cute. I love the big eyes in your original picture. It did show in the beginning, but you will see it at the end again. So I decided to do your picture pretty much in the same pose with the short sleeve shirt. I did more of a tank top style, and I off-centered your bow, which I just did that. I don't know why. I guess I could have did it the same way, but I wanted to do it a little bit different. And this pose is one of my iconic poses, I guess, because like I've told you before, I hate drawing hands. I have such a hard time. It's slowly getting better, but hands are not my friends. So whenever I can tuck the girls' arms behind their bodies, I will. So I was so excited when I saw the pose. I'm like, yes, I get to do the exact same style I do. So thank you, Karina, for sharing your picture and reaching out to me like instantly on Instagram and saying, hey, it's me, I'm Karina, and I'm Lily Plays, and I just love it. Thank you so much. Continue to follow me. And all of you, thank you for all your love, because I've been getting so many requests for draw my OC. It's been incredible, and to draw any other pictures. Now, if you guys are watching this and you want to be part of my videos, you want to shout out, you want to contribute to what I create here, please leave a comment below or reach me at Instagram at kkatzart, just like Karina did, and I will definitely draw your OC or draw any design you want. I'm super addicted to the 80s. Some of you guys already know that. So if you have some 80s cartoons or TV shows that you want seen done, please leave it here. But Karina, this is for you. This is your OC. I recreated it for you. I hope you like it. I tried my best, and I think it really turned out cute. I love her eyes. Her eyes were my favorite thing in this. Everything. But your pose was super awesome, and I was so proud and so honored to do your picture. And in regards to you, because I've been sending out messages to everybody, your work is on point. You definitely have a style that is so super cute, and I want you to keep on pushing forward and make your art dreams happen. If that's the route that you want to go, you definitely have talent there, so don't lose it. Just keep on pushing forward, and if there's anything that I can do for you, help you in any way, I would love to. Just reach out to me again like you always do. And if you want to see another video personally, Karina, on some other character, just let me know. I'll draw it up for you. Thank you so much, everybody who has subscribed. Again, follow me at kkatzart. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thanks.